Tapalapa, a beloved Gambian bread, holds a special place in many households. In our quest to learn more, we visited One Loaf bakery project in Bundung Borehole, Carnifing municipality, to witness the traditional baking process. Made from a blend of wheat, corn, and sometimes millet or cassava flour. Tapalapa boasts a unique taste and a rich nutritional value. The dough is carefully kneaded and left to rise, developing its significant flavor. Traditions baked in a wood fire ovens, the bread emerges with a distinct texture and aroma. Once out of the oven, Tapalapa is more than just a food. It is a symbol of community, warm and fresh. It brings people together over shared meals, laughter, and cherished conversations.